good morning, good day, and good night wherever you may be. Welcome back to Living with Ataxia. This is Art Thomas. Hello everyone, today we are going to continue to talk about home workouts that I try on doing on a daily basis. I started with home workouts before going to the gym. I now do home workouts on days I don't go to the gym. Even when I was using walking assistants such as a walker and walking sticks, I continued to do these workouts no matter how difficult they would be. These workouts are extremely beneficial before and when going to the gym. These workouts are almost exactly the same as the workouts using the balance pad. As for precaution, do these exercises in a corner so you have walls around you. And if you feel it's needed, put a chair or something in front of you to prevent falls. It gives you an opportunity to catch yourself if you feel like you're going to fall. Try to have someone with you, but if not, definitely use the walls for help. Starting next week, there will be a series of workouts to do when sitting down. Basically, it's what I did when I was in a wheelchair. It's square one for everything. The first exercise are heel raises on the ground. Copy me, find a safe corner, and lift the back of your feet and your heels up using your toes. It feels like a calf exercise, which it is, but it is also helping your strength and balance. I started doing 3 sets of this workout with 20 or so reps and increase as you get more stable and stronger. The second exercise are toe raises on the ground, which are and continues to be extremely hard for me. Copy me, find a safe corner, and lift your toes up using your shins and trying to balance on your heels. It feels like a shin exercise, which it is, but it is also helping your strength and balance. I started doing 3 sets of this workout with 20 reps and increase as you get more stable and stronger. The third exercise is the single leg balance on the ground. Copy me, find a safe corner with walls around you, and balance on one leg. I did these exercises and others in this video using the balance pad in a separate video, and using the balance pad is much more difficult, but it's possible for us with ataxia. I put a link in the description below in regards to balance pad exercises. You will feel unsteady at first, but you will get better over time. I started holding one leg up with a count of 20, 40 seconds, etc., and switch legs. Master one time and increase the time. Sitting exercises are coming, which is where I began when getting diagnosed with ataxia. In all exercises that people with ataxia do, it's like 2 exercises in one. Not only are we doing the exercise, but we are trying to stay steady and keep our balance at the same time. The good thing about these exercises is that you don't have to be home. You can do them at other locations. Basically, the workouts go with you. With that said, keep pushing forward and stay positive. If you keep pushing yourself, you're not giving your body a choice. Please help bring awareness to ataxia by pressing that like button, sharing this video, subscribing to the channel, and click that bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. It's all free, and thank you. Future videos will drop 3 days a week if everything goes as scheduled.